Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit your Airbnb photos directly from the app. Whether you need to change your cover photo, reorganize images, or update descriptions, this process is quick and straightforward. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Airbnb app and look at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Listings to access all your active property listings. This is where you'll find all the properties you're currently hosting on the platform. Once you're in the Listings section, tap on the specific listing that contains the photo you want to edit. This will open up all the details and settings for that particular property, giving you full control over how it's presented to potential guests. After opening your listing, look for and tap on Photo Tour. This section houses all the images you've uploaded for your property and allows you to manage them individually or as a collection. Now at the top of the screen, tap on All Photos. This view displays every image you've added to your listing, making it easy to locate the specific photo you want to work with. Next, press and hold on the photo you want to edit. After holding for a moment, you'll see several editing options appear. From these options, tap Edit to access the full editing menu for that particular image. Within the editing menu, you have several useful options. You can tap Make Cover Photo if you want this image to be the first thing potential guests see when they view your listing. Your cover photo is incredibly important as it's often the deciding factor for whether someone clicks on your property or scrolls past it. You also have the option to tap Move From, which lets you reassign the photo to a different category. For example, if a photo is currently labeled as exterior but it actually shows an interior space, you can change this categorization to ensure your listing is organized correctly. Additionally, you can add or edit the description for that specific room or space. This is a great opportunity to highlight special features or provide context about what guests are seeing in the photo, helping them better understand your property. If you decide you no longer want a particular photo in your listing, simply tap the trash can icon to delete it. This is useful for removing outdated images or photos that no longer accurately represent your space. Once you've made all your desired changes, tap Save to apply your edits. Your updated photos and descriptions will now be visible to anyone viewing your listing. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Airbnb photos, giving your listing a fresh, polished look that better showcases your property to potential guests. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.